I just got a new lockpicking set in today and figured I'd take you all along on a prototyping session where I make this design to upgrade my Harbor Freight Mini Toolbox as you're seeing on the screen. So this will use again Gridfinity, and it'll go through the same process that I showed in a previous video, just updated for this new design to hold JimyLongs Jim Hooks. And so I got these today, really nice packaging, a cool little sticker. And so there's 3 of these things in this set. And so what I'm going to do to start out is just take a picture and import it and work through. There's not going to be any talking in the design process, so sit back and enjoy. Thanks. So after all that prototyping and 3 failed prints here, I was able to successfully get a working design that attaches to the lid of the Harbor Freight Toolbox. And so again, it's a pretty crude design, but it works, right? And the magnet holds the picks on the lid when you close it, and it's modular. And so whenever I want to change this up, I can do it as I please. You saw how easy this was during the prototyping session. This probably took, 30 minutes of actual design work and then sitting around waiting for the prints to happen. So please like, subscribe, and check out the next videos as they're coming out.